InVideo AI, the future of video creation. Making videos is hard, it takes time, it takes money. InVideo AI makes it easy. Make great videos easy. Videos are everywhere. Everyone watches videos. You need videos to share your story. InVideo AI is a tool. It helps you make videos. It uses AI. AI is cool. InVideo AI is simple. It is easy to use. Anyone can use it. You can use it. Go to the website, click sign up, it's easy. Just follow the steps, the interface is clean, it's easy to use. You'll see different options, you can make different videos. Choose your video type. Want a tutorial? Want a review? There are many options. Fill in the blanks. Tell InVideo AI about your video. Be specific. It helps the AI. Now, the fun part, write a prompt. This tells the AI what you want. The AI will make your video. InVideo AI is new, it's powerful, it helps creators, it saves time, it saves money, you don't need fancy equipment, you don't need to edit for hours. InVideo AI does it for you. Preview your video, make changes, it's easy. InVideo AI is powerful. Try InVideo AI, make awesome videos, share your story with the world.